The JJRC Q86 says it's a 2-in-1 water and land and drift car. I think they mean land, but somebody failed to use spell check there. But it does have two different modes. It has water mode and then ground mode. So we'll check both of those out. So first thing we have here is the instruction manual. Then it comes with like a warranty card or something. Here is the battery. It is a 3.7 volt, 400 milliamp hour LiPo battery. This pouch here, we get a prop remover, 2 extra props. We get a screwdriver and also a USB charger. Here is the controller. And then you need to put 3 AAA batteries in. Let's check out this land and water car. Okay. So it moves pretty easy. So this car is made of foam, mostly foam, and then it has wheels on the bottom, 2 in the back and then 1 in the front. The ones on the side are just, they're fake. They don't roll, they're just styrofoam. And then you have a plastic body on the top. And then you have these 2 fans in the back that control which direction you want to go. On the front, they have this feature here, maybe to simulate a crash, but if you do that, the hood pops off. These usually have a little bit of charge in the battery, just enough that we can give it a quick table test here. Okay, we got our power button right on the top there and on and off switch right there. So, yep, we have a bind and whoa. I did not expect it to react that quick. Get some little drifts going on here. All right, whoa. I'm hanging on the edge here. You couldn't see it, I was out of frame, but half the car was off the table. So let's run this into the wall and see this front end pop off, if the hood pops off. Oh. Oh, I did not even try that. And I was out of focus, but I did not try to hit the box. It's definitely stronger in forward than it is reverse. Here, watch. Here's forward. It takes off pretty quick. And then here's reverse. It has a little delay going into reverse, but forward, it like takes off. So this could be fun. I can imagine having this on like a hardwood floor or something, drifting around. This could be fun indoors, definitely. But enough playing around on the table here. Let's get this battery charged up, get a full charge. So I got the JJRC Q86 all charged up, and we're gonna test it out here on this floor. I like the shop floor because it is really smooth, and this is a drift car, they say, so let's see if we can get it to drift on this concrete. But then I'm gonna take it in the water. So we'll turn the power on, and yep, there we go. Okay, and this does have different speeds. This button right here is a speed button, so we'll see what, oh. Oh, it's pretty slippery. Let's just try and go a straight line. Oh! Oh, it looks like the trim needs adjusted as well. And that's these buttons here, the right trim, left trim, and I forget which way it was. Okay, so it is going to the, I don't know if that did anything. I didn't even hear any beeps. It doesn't seem, well, I don't know if it's doing anything or not because I can't do a reverse. Is very bad. Okay, so maybe it was a bad idea to be on the smooth floor. Oh, I'm stuck on the drain here. Okay,
So like I said, this is supposed to be a speed button. So let's see. Okay, I saw 2 flashes on the controller. I didn't hear any beeps or anything. Oh, it is a little bit faster. Okay, before I kill the battery, I want to get this out on the water, so let's go. Look, I do have a spot where I can go right in from the concrete into the water, so I'm gonna do that. It's a little choppy over there, but here the bank is blocking a little bit of the wind, so it's not windy until you're further out. So we'll see how well this does on the water. Okay, here we go. I'm just gonna let it go because it's gonna go by itself anyway. Oh, I think I was trimming it the wrong way. It'd be nice. Oh, we got a couple geese over there. There's a nest right over there. I wonder if they're gonna fight each other. It looks like they might. No, no, okay. We're good. We're all calm now. All right, good. Well, it does go pretty good in circles, I must say that. I'm trying to get this trim. I just can't figure this trim out. Well, maybe that's not even doing it. I don't know. I don't even think the trim works. Honestly, I don't think the trim works. I don't see, like, the LED on the controller doesn't flash, or you don't hear a beep or anything. So it's not the fastest on the water. It is, it just wants to go in circles now. What the heck's going on here? Does this trim work? I don't know. I don't know if it works. I'm gonna say no. Still pretty cool that you can drive it on the land and the water, whichever you want. I would keep it on the land just because it's a little faster. Yeah, I constantly have to turn to the left to try and go straight because it just wants to keep turning right. And like I said, I keep hitting the trim. I keep hitting both trims and nothing's doing anything. So we're just gonna go in circles because that seems to be what it can do the best. I don't know how long this battery's gonna last, although it is 400 milliamp hour, but I have to give it full throttle to go anywhere on this water. All right, that's enough of that. You get the idea. It does spin in one spot pretty good, but that's about it.
JJRC Q86 Well, I must say it's not that good on water. So it does run pretty good on the cement, so the battery did last for a long time. And I had better than 10 minutes of battery life out of this. So the 400 milliamp hour battery does last for a while. But I am gonna put this in for the April giveaway. So if you want this to be the April giveaway, then go ahead and smack the like button, because the like button is like your vote. So you're voting for your favorite RC. And at the end of the month, the one with the most likes is gonna be the giveaway for April. So to enter, all you have to do is be a subscriber from the US and comment down below. Your comment is your entry, but your comment is only your entry for this RC. You have to comment on all the other RCs that you wanna get yourself entered in, because I'm only picking the comments from the RC with the most likes at the end of the month. So I suggest commenting on all the other ones for April, because nobody knows at the end of the month which RC is gonna be the most liked one. So you better get your entry in on all of them. That way you have a chance at whichever one is the giveaway. And then on May 1st, I'm gonna do a live drawing where I announce which RC was the most liked RC for April and who wins it. So good luck to everybody who enters the giveaway. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you with the next Ready to Run RC.